Good afternoon, it's Ben at Forexample Trading. It is the 16th of August, so we're right bang in the middle of the month. Just coming up to, in fact it's 20 to 7 UK time. A bitty day really. It's one of those days where unless you've got eyes on every single pair out there, it's really difficult to sort of find the best opportunities. And even though there was a lot of movement, it's really you had to be in the right place at the right time to find it. Which is why the trading arena is valuable, because we're discussing those ideas. So I might be looking at something, other people in there are looking at other things, and we can kind of combine those ideas and what we're seeing in various different points in the market to find the best opportunity. But it's a typical middle of the month now. You see it quite a lot where things just slow down. Always the start of the month there's a lot more activity, and at the end of the month there's more activity. It is summer as well, so maybe that's got something to do with it. So I'll quickly run you through what we were looking at. There were some big financial events. Retail sales figures very positive for the UK. You'd expect that to have a very positive effect on the pound, but it didn't. And that tells me the pound is going to continue to decline. However, this afternoon there was a slight spike where the pound and the euro did jump up. We still don't know what that was about. Generally speaking, I think we're going to see further decline for the pound and probably the euro as well until there's a proper decision on Brexit and what's going to happen there. As far as the trends are concerned, you can see here that this is US dollar gold, and we've been following this trend line down. Although again, you can see in this area here, it's been very bitty, difficult to trade it. Gold is difficult to trade at the best of times, but when you've got this sort of movement, I'll show you on a 15-minute chart, where it's very bitty. It's hard to get into anything. We can see it has moved off this trend line now and is moving south, but for how long we don't know. You can see there's a trend line here forming to the upside, so that could mean more ups. I mean, it is predicted the US dollar is going to get stronger, and that should drive gold down, but we'll just have to wait and see. The dollar index here, that's a 5-minute chart, but if I show you on an hour or even a day, would be better. You can see it is sitting just above this trend line here and should stay above there and should push on further, and that will hold gold in its place, or certainly hopefully push it down further, and then we can trade it. In terms of other currencies, this is the Aussie Kiwi, which is looking one of the best ones at the moment, and we have got a trade on that's moving up to here. Euro Canadian again, that's had some good movement here, and we're in a process now. We could probably follow this back down. GBP Kiwi look very promising on the 4-hour. You can see it's looking like it should break to here. It just didn't get there, and that was that spike I was talking about. And the Euro Kiwi was in a similar situation. So there are opportunities out there, but nothing really to get fuller hold of. We can see the USD Swiss here picking up off this trend line. And if we look at the strengths here, we can see the strongest today by far the Aussie dollar, weakest yen, and that's kind of a switch around from yesterday actually, and the rest of them just hanging around in the middle there. So that, as I say, there were opportunities, but nothing really. You had to just be in the right place at the right time. If you do want to join us, I'll just show you what we've got placed at the moment. So we've got some gold trades in play, and these should turn into pretty good profit for us. In fact, this moving down, so I'm going to finish this video up and jump straight on this, because I think there's opportunity now when this is moving down to capitalise further. So if you do want to join us, we've still got the offer £249 plus VAT will get you 3 months. That includes the exclusive signals channel, the trading arena, the course, which is a 5-part course, comprehensive course, which will get you to a position where you do know what you're doing as a trader, and then combine that with the support of the trading arena, one-on-one support from myself and the signals, and you're going to be making sure that you have got a Forex career that you can make work. Any questions? All the links are in the description. You can join our free chat arena, arrange a call with me there. I would expect to speak to anyone that wants to join, because I do want quality in that group and people that are dedicated to learning, no matter what position you're coming from, providing you've got enough money to start. And I recommend having a broker account set up with $1,000 at least. Then of course you've got to pay for the subscription with us. So really you're looking at somewhere around $1,500 will get you started properly, and I promise you that is enough to make it work if you've got the right mindset and the right attitude to do it. Any questions? Feel free to contact me. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Thanks a lot.